This video will show agents how they can download their customer list and export it into Excel. They might use it for sending cards or wanting to do a mail merge, print labels. So what they'll do is go into their customer list. They'll click on the three dots. They can export just the clients here and their information. If they click on the traveler data export, it will include also any family members. The tags export here will include anything they've tagged them for. Maybe it's interest-based, like photography, nature, culture, history. Maybe it's timing of when clients travel, like spring break travelers. Perhaps you have buying behavior tags, like a luxury buyer. Maybe it's a traveler profile, like solo or empty nester tag. Or maybe just what they like are they maybe a big Disney traveler? So if they click that one, I'll show you what that looks like when I open the Excel. It will also include those tags. So there you can see this one just has the name, email, and then the tags. And then let's go back. And then the last thing is if you want to do a birthday data export, they can export that and again see all of those birthdays in an Excel spreadsheet.